and hit another vacation bell.
Today we're gonna open Ryan's toys. Let me open this one.
Yeah.
This is my first time opening this. Who did I get? Oh, I got normal Ryan. Oh, cool. How do you open this? I got Ryan right there. Now it's time to open another one. Another one.
Another one.
Okay, let's see what is this one. What can I put in this one? Combo Panda!
Oh, you got the Baba Panda! Look! These are called Secret Mystery.
He got that. What? Now let's meet. You got Brian's. Now put it right here facing. Put it right here. Now it's time to. And now open another one.
Now I got the silver, and then I'm gonna open another.
Another one. Just right over there. Mommy, why did I get no one there? Let's see what you get. You got somebody. You got Gus. Wait, what? How can I have Noah when he has the best? Now it's time to open another one. But now put it where. Time to open another one. One. It's time to open this one. It's into white glass. Oh, wait, what? Another combo panda. Wait, what the? I got another combo panda. You kidding me? How many combo pandas are there here? Then I have another combo panda.
That's okay. He's my favorite.
Okay. I'm glad what's inside this. Hurry up. Now waiting. Yeah, he got a combo panda. Yay! Let's have to open this one.
Okay, I should look.
Oh, cool. Now put it. Let's see what's inside this one.
Help me collect all of them.
Ooh! I got Gus!
There's no Gus.
I got a Gus.
There is Gus. You got Gus mixing.
Oh, I got the ninja ones. That's lame. Ninja Majago. Donga gong. Whoa.
My favorite.
No, red titan. Can't open another.
This was my favorite in the universe. I got Panda Gamer. I got Panda. I got Panda. I got the Panda I got the combo
Who's that?
Ryan?
A combo and a combo. The combo and a combo.
No, do not cut my hair. I got 2 combo pandas. For no reason, I don't know.
Fix it, please.
Hurry up, I'm joking here. Now it's time to open. Time to open this. Another. Let's see what's like that. Blue combo panda.
That's unfair.
I got a blue combo panda. I would trade it to you for the red titan. Wait. Let me see. Can I find another red?
Right, yeah.
Another one.
Wait, it's Bentley's turn.
The bunny would not trade. Oh, you got 2. Let's see what did you get. What have you got, Betty?
Red Titan.
Red Titan again. Let me see mine.
You could get.
Oh, you what? Oh,
Here,
I
let
got somebody. Oh, Betty might like. I got this one for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. I got a red titan. My name is Mike. It's because I trade Bentley to the Mike.
Listen, now please get me I traded the right now. Can you give me the blue combo? Please.
If you trade me
You already did.
The silver one?
I will find another one. Another one, I say. I will find another one. So what is this? Oh, I just found a color. Oh my god. So annoying. Another one. I got da da da. Oh, but you forgot the circle. You really have to trade that to me because I traded the blue combo panda. I traded the. Okay, give me my blue.
No, please.
So
Come
give
on.
me that one.
Wait. You
If-
guys.
If you always wanted the silver one here.
Wait.
I'll find another.
I got a gator and a gator.
A gator and a
And
favorite.
look, I got a panda and a panda.
Let's put this one right there. Now it's time to cut.
There's 3 more.
One more. It can probably be mine because. Get this out of my face. Oh, well, this is another.
Ready?
Yeah. Well, that's supposed to be mine. Mommy, no, wait.
What happened?
What is pick that one?
I choose.
I'm gonna play with the red cat. Oh no. Well, I'm not trading mine.
Nice.
Well, I'm not gonna be trading Benny, okay?
Wait.
But do you want to trade one of mine? No. Well, I want the green Titan for Gusta Gator and the blue panda. And they already have a red Titan. Oh wow, look it. Okay, so this is what we got from the mystery surprise box. Okay, so this one's orange Ryan, blue Combo Panda, Gusta Gator, Combo Panda Ryan, purple Ryan, green Ryan, Combo Panda, and blue Ryan again.
I have green Ryan combo
But
pen.
you forgot this one.
I have purple Ryan, green Ryan combo pen, the red Titan and the red Titan, the silver Ryan, a orange Ryan, and a blue and an orange and a green Gus. The Gator.
Now, I'll take
Here.
you just give this for me so
Give me the blue
Don't you say that. Don't.
combo.
This is only the blue I could give somebody else.
My favorite, you know what?
Okay, fine, buddy.
My favorite color is blue, and I really want a blue panda.
But there's something. You could steal a blue panda in the forest, and then when you're older. There's no blue pandas in the oceans.
It is right
Okay,
there.
okay. These are only the right. The combo pandas I only love. So give me all your combo pandas, and I will give you the blue.
I
combo
just only have one.
Okay. So, Billy, the pandas are going to be right over here, okay? And then I will give it to you.
Okay.
You have a lot of combo pandas right here.
No, don't. Yeah, 1, 2,
Four
3, 4.
Okay. These are the combo pandas over here.
And we didn't get the
Black,
golden Gus.
blue, black, black. And we did not get the rainbow colored combo panda.
And we didn't even get the golden Gus.
Yeah, or golden panda. Okay.
Or we didn't get the black ninja lion.
Wait, where's the... Oh, yeah. There's no black mangoes. Okay.
I'm
What do
gonna
we do
count.
now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
No,
8,
actually,
9, 10,
actually,
11,
no.
12.
Actually, these ones are mine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No,
8.
this one's mine. Remember?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 1, 2. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this one's supposed to be yours, right?
But I want the blue one.
Ah.
You tricked me.
Give it back to me. When I say give it back to me. Okay, these are all
But
of
my
the...
favorite color is blue.
Well, you have to give it back to me.
Now I have to go put them on the Xbox.
Wait! Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Bye.